In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save and apply color styles using Adobe XD, which will streamline your design workflow and ensure consistency across your projects. So, let's dive right in. First, open your XD document where your design elements reside. Within this document, find an object whose color you wish to save. This could be any graphic element, such as a rectangle filled with the color you're aiming to reuse. Selecting the object is an essential first step because it ties the color to a specific design element in your work. Once you've selected your object, you'll need to shift your attention to the Assets panel, also known as Document Assets. This is where we manage the reusable elements like colors, character styles, and components across your project. To access the Assets panel, go through the View menu, select Assets, or use the panel icon directly. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, simply press Ctrl+Shift+Y if you're using Windows, or CMD+Shift+Y on a Mac. These shortcuts can save you a ton of time once you get used to them, making your workflow more efficient. In the Assets panel, you'll notice a section labeled Colors. This is where we'll be focusing our efforts. To save the color from your selected object as a reusable style, look for the plus icon within this color section. Clicking the plus symbol will add the color as a new swatch, and this handy little action captures the color, making it available for any part of your design without the need to recreate it manually each time. Now you'll see this newly added color swatch appear in the panel, but it may not have a name that's easy to remember or identify. To help with that and keep your palette organized, consider giving this color swatch a meaningful and descriptive name. You can do this by double-clicking the swatch name, or alternatively, right-clicking the swatch and choosing Rename. For instance, you could name it based on its intended use, like Primary Blue or Accent Orange. This clarity will help you and your team recognize it quickly, especially in complex projects with numerous color styles. To use your newly saved color style, simply select any other object in your XD document that you want to apply the color to. Then just click on the color swatch within the Assets panel. This will immediately update the object's fill, or its border, to match the style you've saved. This feature is incredibly useful for maintaining a consistent color scheme across various elements in your design without needing to manually copy and paste the color code each time. And there you have it. A streamlined way to manage colors within Adobe XD that enhances your productivity and ensures consistency across your design projects. Happy designing, and until next time, keep creating.